Hello students, welcome to the next video where we are going to learn about the transpose of matrix. So let's focus about what is a transpose of matrix. The transpose of matrix is a matrix which is obtained by interchanging the rows and column of given matrix, and it is denoted by A dash or A is to T, means A transpose. What we do actually while doing the transpose, we just change the position of row and column. That you will understand by this example, where I have taken the example matrix A of order 3 by 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. The first row consists of 104, second row -257, and third row 3 -68. And when I am writing the transpose of this, what I am just doing, I am just making the row as a column. If you see the row 1, that 104, that I have made here for the transpose as a column 104, -257 as a second row, that become the second column -257, and this way. Means only the thing what we have to change the position, horizontal से vertical कर देना है. That is the meaning of transpose. There are some properties of transpose matrix. The first one, that if you are taking the transpose of transpose matrix, तो अगेन यू आर गोइंग टू गो बैक टू द सेम मैट्रिक्स. मीन्स अभी इसी एग्जांपल में ए ट्रांसपोज का फिर से ट्रांसपोज ले लें, तो देन यू विल फाइंड दैट कि इट विल अगेन बिकम योर सेम मैट्रिक्स. सेकेंड वन, दैट इफ लेमडा टाइम्स ए होल ट्रांसपोज, then the constant just become outside, that multiplication of a scalar that does not affect on the transpose. The third one, a plus b whole transpose is equal to a transpose plus b transpose, that we can verify by taking the examples. Fourth one, a minus b whole transpose is equal to a transpose minus b transpose. And the fifth one, ab whole transpose is equal to b transpose into a transpose. This is called as a reversal law, and I have marked with this pink color and in this box because it is a very important property that we use to solve the many problems. So that's why especially you remember this one, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Students, here usually we do the mistakes what ki we write AB transpose as A transpose into B transpose, but in my previous videos you have learned that matrix multiplication is not commutative, it's not same. Order is very important in matrix multiplication, so that's why while using this property you should be very careful. You can't write A transpose into B transpose. Order wise you have to write this one as a B transpose into A transpose. That's why this is called as a reversal law. Reverse हो जाती है, position change हो जाती है. Okay, let's go ahead. Depend upon this, in exercise 3.3 there are very simple questions where we just want to write the transpose of the following matrix. The first one, matrix A, which is a 5 1 by 2 minus 1, and if you want to write the A transpose, it is given vertically, means it is a column matrix. Just write as a row. रो को कॉलम बनाना है, कॉलम को रो चेंज करना है. तो यहाँ पे एक कॉलम है, हमने इसको रो में चेंज कर दिया. 5 1 by 2 minus 1. नाउ दिस इज अ रो मैट्रिक्स विच इज अ ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए. Same way for the second matrix A, that is 1 minus 1, first row, 2 3 as a second row. And while writing the transpose of this, so what we need to do while writing the transpose of this matrix, this first row that we are going to make as a column, means 1 minus 1, that if you see that a row wise, that I am writing now the column wise. Here this 2 3 which is as a row wise, that I am writing as a column wise. So this way we write the transpose of the matrix. Now our next concept is a symmetric matrix, which is based on the concept of transpose only. For the symmetric matrix, the condition first that it should be a square matrix. A square matrix is a symmetric if it is equal to its transpose. Means if I am writing the transpose, then also the matrix will be remain same as it is. There is a on changing the position of row and column also it will look same. Let's understand by the example the A, where it is consisting of 4 elements 4 3 3 0 order 2 by 2. And just see as I am changing the rows and column, if I am writing the 4 3, this horizontal row as a vertical one 4 3, and 3 0 this again as a column wise, so then also you will find that both the position look same, means both the matrix are equal, there's a nothing changed. That's why this type of matrix are known as a symmetric matrix. Another condition for the symmetric matrix is that Aij is equal to Aji. What is the meaning of this? Means what the position of elements, means that you will understand ki A12 and A21 both are going to be same. How that is a becoming same, let's understand. So if you see the A12, that A12 in the matrix A is that is a 3, this one, and the A21 that is a second row first column, that is also 3, and that if you see both are equal. So for symmetric matrix what happened, that ki position wise the elements A12, A21, A13, A31, all this kind of elements are always same. That's why while changing the position we find the same matrix only. This is the concept of symmetric matrix. Now the next concept, that is a skew symmetric matrix. So again only for square matrix only. A square matrix is a skew symmetric matrix if it is equal to its negative transpose. Means if I am changing the position of row and column, then we find that A transpose that is equal to the of minus A. And for example the matrix A, that if you see 0 3 minus 3 0, again 4 elements ordered 2 by 2. If I am writing the transpose, row is a becoming column here, so this 0 3 that as a row wise, that now I am writing as a column wise. Let's understand how that is happening. So here this 0 3 that as a row wise, that you are writing as a column wise, now minus 3 0 as a row wise, that again I am writing as a column wise. So this is the transpose of this matrix. But in this transpose if you see this one, A transpose is equal to, so if I am taking out the minus common from all 4 elements, so what I am finding that 0 is going to be 0 only, because minus is a common. From this minus 3 if I take common, so it will become 3. This 3 will become minus 3, as you have taken the minus common. This is a 0, and that if you find this matrix, that is nothing but this is the your original matrix A. Okay, so that's why what we are getting कि A dash is equal to minus A. A dash is equal to minus A, and that's why this is a skew symmetric matrix. One important note that कि the skew symmetric matrix is only possible. It is only possible in the case when all diagonal elements are equal to 0. Otherwise, it is not possible to make the skew symmetric matrix. This is an important note that you should remember. Now, the next one, this is the theorem based on the concept of transpose and symmetric matrix. If A is any square matrix, whatever kind of square matrix is this, then A plus A transpose is a always symmetric matrix. It is a very small theorem for 2 marks. So if I want to make it is a symmetric matrix, A plus A transpose, if I want to show that it is a symmetric matrix, so what I need to do, I am starting with A plus A transpose as a some matrix. Let's see, A plus A transpose is equal to a matrix C. And if I want to say, I am just saying that this A plus A transpose as a one matrix that I am calling as a C. And if I want to show कि C is a symmetric matrix, अगर ये C symmetric matrix है तो इसका मतलब मुझे ये दिखाना है C dash is equal to C आना चाहिए. तो what I am starting with a C dash, C transpose. C transpose means I am starting with A plus A transpose का transpose. And as per the property that we have learned in the first slide, the property wise this is going to become A transpose plus A transpose का whole transpose, and that you will find in my second line. So then A transpose का transpose, तो I know कि that is equal to A. So what I am getting कि that if it is becoming A transpose plus A, so actually it is becoming equal to what? C. So that means what I can say कि C is a symmetric matrix, and C is nothing but A plus A transpose. So that's why A plus A transpose is always a symmetric matrix. Is it okay? Now let's see the next theorem, which is a similar like the previous one. If A is any square matrix, then A minus A transpose is always a symmetric matrix. For this again we are starting in the same manner, A minus A transpose ka whole transpose, and if I am going for that, so here if you see this A minus A transpose ka whole transpose, the property, this is A transpose minus of A transpose ka whole transpose. Then second line, this is A transpose, and this one that is going to become A. And if I take out the minus common from this second line, so what I am going to get, this is a minus of A minus A transpose. So that's why I can say it is a what? Skew symmetric matrix. That's why by definition it is always a skew, not यहाँ पे skew आ जाएगा, skew symmetric matrix. Okay, this way. Now this is a very important formula, and based on this we have a 1 4-mark problem usually come in a board exam, that to express a matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So what I am doing here, I am writing matrix A as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So as we have learned in the previous 2 slides that A plus A transpose is always symmetric and A minus A transpose is always skew symmetric. By taking their help only, what I am doing, I am expressing them as a matrix A. How I am expressing them as a matrix? So see here how I am expressing the matrix A by taking the help of these 2 matrices, that one as a skew symmetric, one as a symmetric. Why? Because as it is a 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. So just see if I open this 1 by 2, if I open this bracket, so what it is going to become, A by 2 plus A transpose by 2 plus A by 2 minus A transpose by 2. So what we are getting, actually what is happening, that this one that going to be cancelled. How it is getting cancelled, just see here, this A transpose by 2 plus, and this is minus A transpose by 2, that is going to cancel, and that's why this remaining 2, this one A by 2 plus A by 2, that if you add, so that is going to become what? That is going to become 2A by 2, and that's why this is equal to A. So this way it is happening. And now the problem based on that formula, express the matrix A 3 5 1 minus 1 as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So what we are doing is that by formula, as we know, A is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. This is by formula only. So this first line, that as a formula, A is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Now from first this A is given, so we'll find out A transpose, interchange the position of row and column, means 3 5, that as a first row, that will become as a column, 1 minus 1 as a second row, that will become second column, 1 minus 1. After getting the A transpose, let's find out the A plus A transpose, means add them, this 2A plus A transpose, as we know the addition of matrices. So what we are getting is that 3 plus 3, that is going to be add 5 with 1, 1 with 5, minus 1 with minus 1, and that's why we are getting the A plus A transpose as a 6 6 6 minus 2. Now the next, that we are getting the A minus A transpose. For A minus A transpose we are going to subtract, so 3 is going to subtract with 3, 5 is going to subtract with 1, and same way we are going to get what, 0 4 minus 4 0. So we got this A plus A transpose and A minus A transpose. This one is a what, symmetric, and this one as a skew symmetric. And now just what we need to do, is just put this in the formula here. तो 1 by 2 A plus A ट्रांसपोज की वैल्यू को रिप्लेस कर देंगे, प्लस 1 by 2 A माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज की वैल्यू को फर्स्ट लाइन जो फॉर्मूला हमने लिखा है उसमें रिप्लेस कर देंगे, और जस्ट 1 by 2 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है, 6 by 2 6 by 2 6 by 2 minus 2 by 2. इन दिस ऑल्सो 1 by 2 मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो 0 by 2 4 by 2 minus 4 by 2, 0 by 2, and that's why we are going to get 3, 3, 3 minus 1 plus 0, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. This is the way that we have done express of matrices. You can verify, if you add this, so you are going to get your original matrix only. 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 minus 2, 1, minus 1 plus 0. This way we have done. Okay. Clear? So let's go ahead. Sorry. Now this is your homework time from NCERT textbook exercise 3.3. The whole exercise is based on just the addition, subtraction and the transpose of matrix. Try to solve the remaining problems that I have not covered in this